everybody. It is my pleasure to present to you EOS Retail Solution, built into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central application. All corporate functions needed to steer a successful retail operation from HQ are in place. Everybody in your organization is working on the same solution. On the top of the system, there is the business layer, which Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which includes standard ERP functionality. EOS Central enhances or adds functionality which is needed in the retail business. EOS Retail gives you the power to run essential store operations like general store management, POS, and inventory management. In head office, you can set up, view and maintain items, price and promotions on a store level. This is important to many retailers, and here you can do that. You can also manage your loyalty program and customer orders. Store back office's functionality is designed for simplicity and process control. When the staff enters the system, they will only see products and documents that are relevant for his role or store to guarantee correct and productive process execution. Now, I would like to walk you through a short demo to overview this great product. The first screen we see of this modern user interface is the Row Center. This includes all the key functionalities needed for a particular role in the company. Business Central provides separate Row Center for each role in the company. The Row Center that I'm using for today's demo is the Store Manager homepage. It includes the most important functionalities this user would like to see. And now on the left side of the screen, we have a menu of all the functionalities that this role would normally access. Store managers or users, which are responsible for item and price creation and management, have quick access to retail items. Let's open Retail Item Card. In this card, you can do many things. You can group your items in different divisions, item categories, and product groups. You can create and print barcodes and labels for your products. You can add vendor and vendor item numbers. You can link retail item together so that every time the main retail item is sold, the retail items that are linked to it are sold also. You can create variants for different colors and sizes of the main retail item. You can import pictures for retail items. You can record different unit of measures for purchase and for sales transactions. You can also set up different attributes for retail items. The attributes can be color, size, material, size group, etc. And then you can search and filter items by these attributes. You can create purchase orders in head office, HO, and send them as a PDF file to your vendor. Now, let's see one purchase order which is set up in the head office. In the header of the document, you see vendor number, order date, and expected delivery date. In lines, you can define items, quantities, unit of measures, and discounts. From purchase order, you can print item labels. You can define different locations in Business Central, not only for store locations, but also for claims, vendor differences, and other virtual locations. In head office, you can post transfer orders between locations. For example, moving products between two stores. Let's open customer list. You can easily create new customer in Business Central and add different sales conditions for each customer as prices and discounts, payment and shipment methods, different currencies, etc. You can create a sales invoice or a sales order to record your agreement with a customer to sell certain products on certain delivery and payment terms. If the customer decides to buy, you post the sales invoice to create the related quantity and value entities. When you post the sales invoice, you can also email the document as PDF attachment. You can have the email body pre-filled with a summary of the invoice and payment information. You can easily correct or cancel a posted sales invoice before it is paid. For example, this is useful if you want to correct a typing mistake or if the customer requests a change early in the order process. If the posted sales invoice is paid, then you must create a sales credit memo to reverse the sale. Business Central provides accounting and finance functionalities to help you track and analyze your business information. You can efficiently manage your general ledger, your payables, receivables, inventory, analytical accounting, fixed assets, and cash flow, in addition to performing bank reconciliations and collections. You can even manage your financial process across multiple currencies, locations, or companies. Next functionality, which I would like to present today, are sales prices and discount offers. EOS Central includes several tools for sales and price management. The pricing mechanism in EOS Central is built on the price structure in Dynamics Business Central. Items can have multiple prices that are valid on different dates or time, or based on different tender types. Different stores and/or customers can enjoy different prices, and these are just a few of the options available. Promotions appear as a temporary price change, but discount offers as a percent discount. Offers can be defined by specific store or group of stores, date period, time period, and/or specific weekdays, customer and/or member themes and/or member attributes, and triggered by coupons. There are different offer types. Now, I'm going to show you different offer types. First one is promotion. Promotion, which is temporary price change. Second is discount offer, appears as discount from regular price. Next one is multiple discount offer, discount triggered by quantity sold. Next one is mix and match offer. This is a complex item combination to give a discount or a deal price. Next one is total discount offer, discount dependent of the total sales amount. Next one is tender type discount offer, discount dependent of the tender type used as payment. Next, item point offer. The offer allows you to pay with points, which triggers the offers that gives you a special price for the item. Next one is line discount offer. A line discount applied automatically or on user demand. And final type is member point offer. This is for a certain period members, and they can receive additional or double points when shopping. And now, let's see some examples of main offers. First, I will show you discount offer. A discount offer gives a discount from the regular price. You can give discount percentage for all items from particular item category or product group, or you can create a discount offer for a specific item. You can create special groups for items and give special discount for this group. You can add different total sales amount to trigger the offer. And now I will show you the options. There are 3 options. First, if amount is 50, so up to $49.99 gets no discount. The second option, between 50 and $99.99 gets 5% discount. And the final third option, between 100 and $199.99 gets 10% discount. Step amount refers to the whole amount for all items sold in the sale, even though the discount is only valid for items included in the lines. The next example would be with multiple discount. With the multiple discount, it is possible to give different levels of discount based on quantity sold. For example, a 5% discount if 5 to 9 items are bought, then 10% for 9 to 14 items, and 15% for 15 items or more. Next example will be with mix and match offers. The mix and match offers make it possible to combine different items into specially created offers. This can be, for example, a discount if you select 3 different items. Let's see. Offer for Linda combo, 20%. There are 2 item groups, A and B. If you buy jeans Linda line and towel or skirt, you will get 20% discount. More examples you will see by demo of post functionality. Next functionality, which I will cover today, is member management. This module can help multiple user clubs, each with a different set of rules for different types of user. There can, for example, be one club for member contacts and another for staff. Each club can have one or multiple themes. For example, they can be standard, silver, and gold. Club members are linked to a theme, but they can move between themes based on specific calculation rules. Being a member of a club brings various benefits to the user. The benefits vary between themes. Discounts of many types and member points are examples of some of the most important benefits. And there are special benefits at each theme level. It is possible to transfer member points between accounts in the same club, but it is not possible to transfer points between clubs. The points can be used as a payment on the POS or as a trigger for discounts. Before points expire, it is possible to issue a warning to the user that his or her points are about to expire, and expired points are not active in the system but are available for viewing. Points can be given for certain purchases in certain periods and as a part of an offer. Members can acquire points on post sales and in journals where points can be handled. Member Management Program gives different advantages of registered members. They use different discount percentage according to their member club. For each sale, the member is receiving points. He can use them as a tender type. Later, I will demonstrate post-sale with member card. Next topic is POS functionality. The POS can be working in online and also in offline mode. That is really useful for those clients that have one main database and several stores databases that replicate the data via replication data director method. And first, the logon and the logo of staff. This is the POS client when it is ready to use. For a typical cashier usage, the POS client will start automatically when Windows is running. The POS client will be ready for logon, so the user does not have to start it. Users can log into the system with touchscreen, keyboard, staff card, or barcode or magnetic stripe reader, such called MSR. It is not mandatory to use password by login. Staff members are in different permissions group. They can be cashier or store manager. AOS Retail offers different POS designs. Let's take a look at the different layout styles. For example, number 5050 is designed for a coffee shop or for bakery and restaurants. Number 16 is designed for a supermarket and so on. There is a POS design for electronics shops. you see it. And that are the different designs. Let's start the pause. When the user logging into the system, the pause view is structured like this. We have a journal line with lines that appears when an item has been scanned, barcode, entered item number, selected from the quick buttons is price lookup buttons, or from the item list. These layouts, including menus, buttons, images, are really flexible and easy to be changed or moved according with the user requirements and according to the user needs. And now we start with the first example for the post. This is a simple sale. As we said before, we can sell items from various ways, and the easiest way is the barcode to be scanned or entered in the input window over the post journal. Other way is to select the item from the item list. Let's select the item from the list. Select the barcode. After that, payment with cash. Let's make a sale using blue buttons. I will click children, then boys shorts button. After pressing a total button, you can select payment method. Payment method can be cash, card, or mixed payment. And that was the simple sale. Let's continue with price check. The cashier can check standard and also promotional price of selected item. The system will display active offers for this item also. Example will be with item 40,020. That's it for price check. Next is quantity and price change. With buttons change price, quantity or discount, the cashier can very easily change these parameters in particular sales transactions. This can be done also direct in the line journal. Next topic is voiding lines. With button voiding lines, the user can cancel selected journal line or the whole transactions. And we show how it happens. Next one is refunds. If the cashier wants to return certain item, he has to press refund button. The user can scan or select from transaction register the wholesale transactions or only certain line. You can notice that if the post is started in refund mode, all the journal lines are colored in red as you see. And this was for refunds. Next topic is discount percentage and discount amount. In certain situations, you may need to manually give a discount on individual sales lines. The post has few different discount buttons. Discounts can be activated with other methods. AOS has many possibilities for different discounts to suit different setups. And now I will show you how to give manual line discount in percentage. I will press the line discount percentage button, and I will give menu 5% discount for the line. The maximum discount a user can give depends on his setup on the staff permission group card. The amount for the line and the total for the sale are updated automatically. I will start a new sale. Examples will be with items 50,000 and 50,020. We select them from the list. Next, I will press the line discount amount button and add amount. Note that the system does not show the users the discounted amount. It converts the amount discount to discount in percentage. And that was for discount. Next topic is item search. Some post layouts have the lookup options, which is the same function as the item master. Item master functions give the possibility to search for an item by various fields, and the fields can be number, search description, vendor number, and vendor item number. A new window is displayed. The lookup form key 50,040 into the number field. After that, use the Find button. After pressing Find, the system changes the item number list displayed. The search is done, and the next step is to include the item in the sale. Selecting a line tells the system that is the line that the user is going to work with. And that was for this. Let's continue with selling items with member card. And now I will start a sale with member account. After entering of member card number, the cashier can check information for member account and total number of member points. After selecting of items and member card in the journal, from payment menu I will select other tender types. And if transaction amount is higher than member points number, the rest will be paid with other tender type. And next topic is selling items with mix and match offers. Let's start a sale with item 40,000. Item 40,000 is a part of a mix and match discount offer which is configured in the back office system. When item number 40,000 is sold, it triggers a pop-up window that shows what the offer is about and the valid item numbers included in the offer. Press on the towel in the item and after that OK button. 3 journal lines are made, 2 sales lines and 1 for the mix and match offer. And note that each sales line included in the offer got 20 discount since they are part of the mix and match offer. Let's continue with how to selling items with variants. For that purpose, let's start a sale with item 40,020. A window appears with valid variant options for the item number. Item 40,020 has 2 variants, color and size, and each variant has predefined possibilities. Variants for items are set up in the back office system. When an item is sold by barcode, the barcode usually includes information about the variant's size and color, so no pop-up comes on the POS. Variants for items are a very good option for the inventory system to monitor the stock when the items are sold, for example, in sizes and colors. And variants are an extra option for item number. Let's pick color and size. A journal line is created with this item. The system is displayed first the size and then the color. And that was for selling items with variants. Next topic is about AOS Retail offers different POS payments. And we talk about payments. They can be cash, card, currency, gift card, and mixed payment. First, I will demonstrate cash payment, and I will start a new sale for item 50,000. We select from the item list and I will press the total button. Then, cash. In amount window, I will enter sales amount for transactions. AOS proposes quick cash functionality. I will start a sale for items 50,000 and 50,020. We select them and after that press the total button. The quick cash button brings up a sub-menu with fixed amounts to pay for the sale. You can set up different values for these buttons. And now I will start a new sale and I will pay it with mixed payment in cash and by card. First, I will click cash button and enter 50 euro. The payment is put in the journal line below the item line. The payment and the balance for the sale are recalculated automatically. I will press the card button and I will enter the card number and the expiry date. The receipts are printed and the sale is finished. You see them. It is possible to pay with gift card and also with voucher. First, I will sell a gift card. An item 69,000 is set up for this type of sale. I will enter this item number or I will press button gift card. After entering of item number, the system is waiting for amount input by user. After this, I will enter total button and I will finish the sale. Next, I will demonstrate how to pay with gift card. I will start a new sale with item number 50,000 and a journal line is created and then I will press total and gift card. I will use the same gift card number that was sold about a minute ago. If I enter a wrong gift card number, then the system will display an error message. And that was for gift card. Let's continue with paying for expenses. Expenses are a function to use when you need to pay for some expenses directly from the POS. These can be minor bills which are paid directly from the drawer. Our database has 3 options for such expenses, and the options, you see them: window cleaning, snow shoveling, and birthday present. Of course, these options can be defined according to the customer requirements. They could be entered as free text also. The next topic is printing invoice for a sale. Let's press the Transactions button. I will find the sale for which an invoice is going to be printed. And I will enter the transaction number from the receipt to the transaction number field, or I will browse through the list to find the sale. I will select the line by clicking on it and press the Print Invoice button. That's it. Next topic, selling items to existing customer. And let's sell some items. I will press the Customer button, then search and select the existing customer. If he doesn't exist in the database, by pressing of the New button and entering of the relevant information, he will be created. I will press the OK button, then Total and Cash. And the sale is finished. The sale was automatically charged to the customer who was just created. Next topic, printing X and Z reports. Press the Supervisor menu button. Press the X report button. The X report prints statistical information for this particular POS terminal. It prints the POS totals and other information since last Z report was printed. The X report can be printed at any time and does not zero any totals as the Z report does. The same steps have to be completed for printing of Z report. The Z report prints the same statistical information as the X report. In addition to the X report, it automatically zeroes the totals of the POS terminal. Printing a Z report can be part of the end of the day procedure for each POS. Now, we log off from the POS. And we continue with Transaction Register. All transactions from the POS client are locked and kept in the Transaction Register, which can be accessed in Departments, AOS Retail, Points of Sale, POS, and Transaction Register. For each transaction, there is a linked entry panels where user can view further information about the active transactions. And now let's continue with statements. The end of the day procedure for a store is as follows. Count the amount in each tender type that needs counting on each terminal. One way to do that is to perform a tender declaration on the terminals. Then, the counted amount in the statement is automatically filled in by the program in the statement calculation process. Create a statement for the store or use an existing statement that has not been posted. After that, calculate the statement. we fill the lines. And the final step is to post the statement. You can also leave it for posting until later. That was for statements. Next topic is sales analysis and reports. Sales managers need to analyze turnover, gross profit, and other key sales performance indicators on a regular basis. You can create your personalized report that focuses on your key accounts in terms of total turnover, both in amounts and quantities sold, gross profit and gross profit percentage during the current amount, and have it compare those figures with the results from previous amounts or the same months last year and calculate deviations. All these can be done in one and the same view with the possibility to navigate to the cause of identified problem areas by choosing the drop-down button to access details on the level of individual transactions. The analysis report consists of objects that you want to analyze, such as customer groups, salespeople, and so on, represented as lines, and the analyzed parameters, that is, the view you want to analyze the object, represent as columns, such as profit calculations, periodic comparisons of sales amounts, and volumes of periodic comparisons of actual and budgeted figures. Let's see some of AOS Retail standard reports. It can be, first, top list report. The top list gives an overview about sales data for post-transactions, customer, and items which can be sorted ascending and descending by number, by quantity, amount, profit, and discount amount. You can run this report by item categories, product groups, items, transactions, etc. The second example for report is the retail hierarchy. It is used to set up hierarchy structures for the items and stores in order to have extra analysis in the sales history. Examples for a retail hierarchy are special item assortments like men's and women's fashions, or special store types like food and fashion. Statistical store grouping into regions and countries could be done in the same way. And the next report is sales by store. It is possible to view sales data either for one store or compare data between different stores. Users can, for instance, compare sales between periods for different stores. AOS Retail and Business Central propose more than 100 standard reports. In Row Center, you can see also different charts for sales by stores. I have finished today's demonstration, and thank you very much for your attention.